Hi folks, Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Screenflow. I'm using version 8.2.2. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this Ken Burns Parallax Effect. This is just a still photo with some text on it. I added video actions to give it the appearance of movement. Really easy to do. It works great for titles. Let me show you exactly how to do it inside of Screenflow. The bottom layer is just a photograph of me, so it's not a video layer, it's just a still photo. The top layer is a text layer, okay? I'm using the font Edo, it's a brush font, I'm using 144. We'll start by adding the Ken Burns effect to this photo layer. We're going to start here, and we're just going to scale down and pan to the left. So come over here to the inspector panel. We want this video properties, the first one here. We're going to click on the plus action button. So this is where the animation's ending. So we're going to take our scrubber here and go to the beginning. We want it to start. We're going to scale up, and I'm going to go up to 110%. So I'm looking at the scale over there. I'm going to scale it up to 110%. If I do a little preview here, I'll hit the space bar. You'll see here, that's exactly what we want. But that's too fast. So what I'm going to do is just take the video action here and drag it out. To preview the Ken Burns effect, I'm going to hit the space bar. You can see here zooming in and panning to the left. Now let's animate the text. The text is going to start small and it's going to grow and move forward. It's going to move faster than the background, so it's going to give it a nice parallax effect. Select the text layer. Click on it and use the smart guides to make sure you're in the center. For this animation, we're going to start at 70% and we're going to scale up to 90. I'm going to type in 90%. I'm going to click on the plus action to create a video action. This is the end of the animation. That's where my scrubber is. So I'm going to take it to the beginning here. And I'm going to type in 70%. Now if I drag my scrubber over the video action, you'll see we start at 70 and we scale up to 90. I'm going to take the video action towards the beginning. I'm going to drag it out to slow down the animation. I'm going to right click on the text layer and add an ending transition so I can just add a nice little fade out of the text. Add a little animation at the beginning by going to the text property. I'm going to click on build in animation, choose center. So I have a nice little intro here. Hit the spacebar to preview. And that is how you create the Ken Burns and Parallax effect in Screenflow. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.